Hey friends, Google has added a booking, scheduling, appointment feature into their calendar, and I wanted to share it with you. So if you're getting started with it in the Create, that you can go to Appointment Schedule. If you've already played with it a little bit, you may see an item show up on your calendar. This is a bookable appointment schedule, and it's indicating the time that I've got open on this calendar that I can work on. I'm going to click the pencil here to edit the bookable appointment schedule. And so I get to pick how long do I want the appointment availability to be. I've set mine at 15 minutes, but you see there are choices. And when am I available to actually do these appointments? So I've decided on this calendar I'm going to offer Wednesdays and Thursdays from 10 to 5. Now, you can always adjust that if you're going to be out of town or something. You can come in and say, I'm unavailable on any particular date. You can do that. And be sure that you've got your time zone setting correctly. There is a scheduling window. So when can they begin making appointments and when does it end? I've got mine set as minimum as 4 hours, meaning if they got up in the morning and wanted to book with me in the afternoon, they could. Or if they if I wanted to set this days, like 60 days out is a long time. Maybe I actually want that like 45 days out. That's a month and a half away. I don't want to get too far out. And then here, if you're having date availability issues, like I decide, oh, tomorrow I agreed to go to a thing, then what I could do is come in here and say I'm unavailable for that particular date. Here, you'll want some time probably between appointments. Do you want 15 minutes between an appointment? That might work well if you're doing hour-long or 90-minute appointments. You might want more time between them. And do you have a restriction of how many you're willing to do in a single day? So maybe I want only 4 in this time window so I can get other things done too. Very important that you pick the correct calendar that you are syncing with. It's going to look at that particular calendar, and that's what it's going to look at to see, okay, did something else get booked on that time? So if it did, it's not going to offer that up as an available time for you to have a scheduled appointment. And then, of course, you can color code. If you click on Next, it gives you more information. So here is more about your booking page. Now, I'll tell you, in the Google product, of course, if you schedule a video meeting, it's going to do the Google Meet. But you could also say, I want to do an in-person meeting or a phone call, or you could say none and then fill it in later. Like if you would rather make it a Zoom call, then you could build that link later. It's just nice in this case that it would build it automatically with the Google Meet product. So it works really well if that's your favorite platform. Add a little description, and then you've got details of your booking form. What contact information do they have to fill in to book with you? So I usually like to get first name, last name, email, and phone number. Maybe sometimes I ask some other things or require that email gets verified. A few times I've gotten some spam ones that come through, but you can tell pretty quick what those are. And then, wow, you could actually attach your Stripe account and get paid. If you are scheduling appointments that are paid appointments, not free appointments, you can connect it to a payment process and get that done. They register, they pay, it's booked, you're all done. Really convenient. And then here you're able to set up, are we doing the calendar invitation once it's set up, and then do we want to email a reminder? And then you just save all that, and that is what is your availability. and you'll see that it shows up on my different weeks for those dates that I picked, other than those that I removed off of there for availability. Now, if you wanted to use it, so let me click on this, see the share and see the open booking page. I'm going to click the booking page. So the share is getting you a copy of the link, copy it, and you can say, I want to show all my different appointment options. Like if you have a 15-minute, a 30-minute, a 1 hour, you could do that. And notice you can put this link like in a chat, in a virtual call, or in an email. But you also have a little website embed code where you could put this right on your website so people could book there with you. Anywho, it's a fun new addition to the Google Calendar product. Of course, Microsoft has their bookings, and there's so many products on the market. You might have tried Calendly or Acuity. This is just a convenience now offered through the Google Calendar, so that you don't have to do that back and forth with the emails to schedule every single appointment. Hope this saves you some time. Have a great day.